Saturday, August 16th, I took my regular Coffeyville railfan trip. I first got to Coffeyville just to see a manifest working north yard. I would have got my camcorder set up, but it came in quickly. Shortly after, I heard a horn that is usually on UP SD40Ns and UP Jeeps. I hustled to Coffeyville yard just to find out that UP LVA-52 was on duty. I went to the south part of the yard to get a shot of it moving. Sadly, I didn't accomplish that. When I was getting my tripod set up, the train moved back into the yard with hookups to its train. I went to South Coffeyville just to find out a manifest was coming in. I went further south because I thought it had stopped. Nope, it came zooming past me on the highway. Long story short, I would have got LVA-52 leaving, and I caught it on the Kansas and Oklahoma state line. 2 weeks later, on Saturday, August 30th, I took a trip to Pittsburg, Kansas to see the yearly Little Balkan State train ride, which happens on the last Saturday of August. I had planned to get a few shots of it in the countryside, but it did not go to plan, as my camcorder decided to give up on me mid-chase, giving me only pictures of the train before getting back to Pittsburgh, watching WAMX 4199 come in Longford forward. After getting lunch, I had planned to see friends Jello the Meow and Central Kansas Railfan and Independence. I'd get to our railfanning spot shortly before they did just to see the signals were on, with UP M-Haas, daily Houston South St. Paul, manifest flying through town. Thinking that Imhoff was going to be the only train we'd see, we would go to another part of town to see an old Mopac transfer caboose. During the time of seeing the caboose, another train would be lined through town. We'd get back to our spot just to wait 5 minutes before hearing in first gen K5 LLA. I would happen to get set up just to realize my phone ran out of storage, so here's Central Kansas Railfans video. Here's some random stuff I caught a week later, so enjoy.